No, just go in my house and see my cat, then you'll take a picture of her.
Oh.
You're right, come on.
Is it a funny cat?
The funny cat? No, she's not funny. She's not talking. She is not a funny cat. And she is not talking.
Where does she stay?
In the bathroom.
Why is she in the bathroom?
Because she always eat food in there.
What kind of food? Human food?
No.
She eats rice?
No. I said she eats some cat foods.
Oh.
Cat foods are eating for not dinner.
Oh.
Dinner.
Did you eat the cat food with her?
No. I am not a cat. I am Maddyson.
I thought you were pretty Princess Maddyson, right?
Yeah. You know my name.
Yeah, it's a pretty Princess Maddyson.
Yeah. Who's this?
So what else about your cat? Anything interesting?
I know her name.
What's her name?
Brittany.
Brittany?
Yeah.
Like Britney Spears?
No, Brittany.
Does she have a last name?
No.
Why not?
She don't have no teeth either. Either has bugs.
Does she wear a wig?
She's a weenie. I don't have cats. I just only have one cat. Not two. Not a baby one. Just a bigger one. That's all I got.